Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the how to print float value in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better in my video lecture. And here I use simple notepad yes, for typing Java program. So here that is our class name. So float we can say that value VL. Yes, that is our class name. So float is a keyword you have to know that is a data type. And then yes, public static void main you have to know very well in first video lecture what is a three keyword why we have to use that I already cover. So here in this session we have to learn how to float value print. So I first we have to yes that is a if not provide the f so taking error. So let us take yes here very important concept. So float yes and here we can say that rate and like any give the value so nine like any value we have to provide so 98.25 and then we can just print yes so system dot out and print so print and print ln both method are here I use. So here first that is a print then print ln yes so we can say that message rate we can say that rate or price of item yes that type of message and then again I take you can also use same but here I use first that is print and print ln both method we have to use and just pass the rate so that is a perfectly so now yes that is here we can use as taking new line. Yes, here we can also taking as a new line. That is also possibility, but here is a better. So let us take what is a and here that of taking one error. Yes, first I show you how that error is coming in Java. So first we can save this file. So that is a rules class name is a file name in Java. So we can say that float that is a value and you can also give like f is capital so I give the f so that is also all class in the Java first letter must be capital but not in the file rules name means file name but I give the like first capital so float that value so save and here we can provide yes capital F and again yes here that is we can extension so you can look here that by default so that is a one error why because that is a notepad file not Java file so you can look here my that my previous video lecture I taking so here that is a Java file yes so you can but net that is a first error yes here that is a text document not Java file so why so we cannot provide the extension so that is a must be so sometimes student what get that save directly and means give the name and directly press the save button so that file is saved but that is a notepad not Java file so that is a here give the tooltip yes that is a Java file you can look here at Java file so here there is a no tooltip means that is tooltip but that is a text document so yes so must be yes that is a one error so that file that this file is not compiled yes here now we can provide the extension is Java so yes I save and now what to do so we can go in those share yes those prompt so I that is a yes you can look here that is a search so recently we have to search that listed so I open and cd slash so we can come out that is prompt that known as an f colon so change the drive and we can go in our folder so cd that is a Java Pro that is our main folder and we can set the jdk path so Java path that is my batch file name so first video lecture I create that batch file so you can look here jdk 1.5.0 underscore 12 bin and class path set class path that is same folder so our class that bytecode file store in this same folder so now first what to do so Java C and float yes and then value that is and Java that extension so yes Java So you can look here that giving the error. Yes, here very important concept. You can how the error is appearing in Java. So I previously told you here we can take first one error and learn more. Why here is error? So float value is a that all are proper. But here by default is a Java is a double data type. So why how we can print the float value in Java? That is very important concept. So what is a requiring change in our source file name? So this is a source file name, and yes, here we can just provide the f. Yes, that is a print our float. By default Java consider as a double uh, data type, so here that is a not print perfectly, so we can provide the f value. So here that float keyword we have to use, and Java print the double, so that is a giving the error. So that is very important simple error. You can look here, found is double and require is a float. So that is a by default is a float value that print, but we can declare as a float variable value. So now yes, that I first save. Yes, I think I can save, but let us check alter F and that is S, control S. You can also press, and let us check now compile. Yes, here you can look at our class file store in same folder, float val.java and float val. That is a txt file, but that class file is not generated because that is error. So when any error, that the bytecode file is not generated, like first dot class that I already that first video lecture. So first Java and class file same in this same folder means Java programming profit for programming. So I give Java Pro. You can give any appropriate name. So yes, now I can compile. So first I CLS, yes, clear the screen. That is a DOS command and Java C, and then we can F capital float value. So that is my goal. How to print the float value in Java? That is a very important, simple concept, but in Java that is a very important. So now that is a source file. So Java. Yes, now there is no any error. Yes, simple way. And now I can print. Yes, so float. And now I first see you that is a class file is created. So you can look here float value dot class and float value dot java. So that is a source file and that is a bytecode file in Java. So Java, that is a dedicated component. So 23 component, and we can use Java C, that is a Java compiler. Yes, compile our file, JVM Java Virtual Machine, and JDK Java Development Kit. So that is a second component, Java only. That is application launcher. Yes, so we can run our app program. Yes, so here we can set that float value only, no any extension. So that is a class file is run, and we can see our output. So you can look here, that is a new line. Yes, so the rate of item 98.25. So that is a yes, rupee and pesa. So yes, that perfectly. So what is a here we can concept is two in this my goal. What is how to print the float value in Java, how error is coming, so how to solve that float value. So you can give here F. So otherwise Java by default taking as a double data type. So here we can take as a float keyword. So that taking error. And here I use as a print and println. So just show you how to new line. If you not use, then that is a better. Yes, let us check. I and yes, here I remove println and give the comment line. Yes, that is a single comment line in Java. You have to know. And here I plus concatenation and use as a write. So same line that print. So we can alter apps and save, and again go in those cell. So we can change anything. So first we can compile. Yes, and here up and down I press as up, so all previous command is appearing those. So up you can give, so all previously your command is working. So that up arrow key I can press in keyboard. So for previous that Java C you have to not type any again. So only one time you can type, that command is automatically appear in those one. So that is a better. Yes, that compile, and now we can run. Yes, I again press that down. So our previously command, yes, let us. So you can look the rate of item, yes, 98.25 same line. So that is a very important simple session I take. how to float value print in the Java. Yes, and here we can use as a print and println, both method we have to use. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So any question regarding this definition? So how to solve the float variable error in the Java? That is my aim of this session. So any doubt or any question regarding this session, so you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. Thanks, and subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Iconic. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.